Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to refer friends to Binance. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account, and in case you don't know how to, we have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to refer our friends. At the top right next to deposit, you will see a button like this right here that is your profile. Simply hover over it. And guys, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all you guys have to do is focus on this button called as referral. Click on it. From here, as you can see, this is my referral ID. And this right here is my referral link. Simply click on the invite friends button right here. And guys, that is it. You can simply download it. But for me, I'm just gonna copy it and send it to my friends. That is it guys, that's how you refer your friends to Binance. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.